If you're in the market for an OLED TV, then ironically the C8's biggest competition probably comes from last year's LG models, with the excellent B7 OLED and C7 OLED both heavily discounted at this time. In terms of 2018 OLED TVs, and sticking with LG, there's the upcoming B8 OLED, which is cheaper but uses the Alpha 7 processor, and thus lacks some of the new picture features. Alternatively, you could look at the Sony AF8, Sony A8F OLED in the US, although the Android Smart platform is less than ideal and its implementation of Dolby Vision has been a mess. In addition, there's the Philips 9002, but that also uses Android and doesn't support Dolby Vision. The Panasonic FZ802 doesn't support Dolby Vision either, but on the plus side it doesn't use Android and supports HDR10+. Finally, if you fancy an LCD panel, then the excellent Samsung Q9F NCLED TV uses direct LED backlighting to deliver near OLED blacks and a huge peak brightness, making it ideal for HDR. Since it also has a 21 ms input lag and doesn't suffer from image retention or screen burn, it's also a great choice for gamers. Verdict: LG's C8 builds on the success of last year's models, resulting in a TV that can deliver astonishing HD/SDR images and equally impressive 4K/HDR pictures. It's not as bright as an LCD TV, but those deep blacks make a huge difference to the dynamic range of the image. It's also capable of vibrant and gorgeous colors, not to mention an astounding level of detail with native 4K content. The WebOS Smart platform remains the best available, and the choice of streaming services is second to none. Once you add the gorgeous design and a comprehensive set of features, you have one of the most complete TVs that we've ever reviewed.